Have you ever wondered how AI chat models generate their answers? Do they think like humans, or do they have a different approach? In this module, we'll uncover the inner workings of AI models and explore two key techniques: chain of thought and tree of thought. By understanding these techniques, you can leverage them to enhance your business operations. Chain of thought is like a train trip. Each thought is a station, linked neatly to the next like a train sticking to its track. This step-by-step way of thinking is perfect when there's a straight line from the problem to its solution. On the flip side, tree of thought is more like a road trip with lots of crossroads. Each crossroad is a decision point or a thought, and there are lots of ways to go. Just like the AI, we have lots of thoughts to pick from, and each one can lead to more ideas. Now that we have introduced these techniques, let's delve deeper into how they can be applied to boost your business. Chain of thought in AI models. Let's immerse ourselves in a fascinating world where AI chat models learn to think more like humans. Researchers from Google have uncovered the secret behind guiding these programs to navigate a chain of thought, similar to the logical steps we take when solving puzzles. The term chain of thought, COT, also describes how the model generates text sequentially. Each token, word or part of a word, is influenced by the tokens that came before it, forming a chain where each thought affects the next. The model utilizes the context of the ongoing conversation to determine the most appropriate response at each step, drawing from patterns learned during its training. To illustrate this, imagine you have 3 apples, and then you acquire 2 more. To determine the new count, you would think, I had 3, then I added 2, so now I have 5. This step-by-step process represents the chain of thought. Researchers have discovered that training computer programs using examples that follow this chain of thought significantly improves their problem-solving abilities. What's even more impressive is that we can now trace the AI's thought process step by step, making it flexible for various tasks, from numerical computations to addressing common-sense queries. This method of teaching holds great promise for making computer programs more user-friendly and understandable. Let's explore the significance of the chain of thought in conversational models, particularly in problem-solving and decision-making scenarios. Here's an example of a real-world business scenario where AI chat models provided a logical step-by-step solution, reflecting the chain of thought. The goal was to kickstart a marketing campaign where each step relied on the previous one. Tree of thought prompting, TOT, is a novel approach designed to enhance the processing of information by advanced AI systems. It offers these machines an opportunity to verify their answers and gain further knowledge. In the context of AI, the tree of thought represents the numerous possibilities considered by the AI model during text generation. Each word or token can have multiple subsequent options, resembling branches in a tree. The AI, leveraging its training, decides which path or branch to explore. Let's create a scenario. Imagine we tell an AI a story about Bob moving from one room to another with a ball in a cup. We then ask, where is the ball? Some AI versions might struggle to answer accurately. To address this, we experimented with chain of thought prompting, which helps the AI become more aware of its thought process and explain its conclusions. Despite this assistance, the AI may still provide incorrect responses. Enter the tree of thoughts method. It allows the AI to analyze a problem from multiple perspectives and verify its work. However, this approach often requires several prompts. To overcome this, we proposed a new way of presenting the question. Pretend 3 different experts are working on this question. They share their ideas one step at a time and bow out if they realize a mistake. This tactic yielded fruitful results. The AI became a team of experts collaborating to solve the problem. Although this method is still under examination and requires further testing, initial results indicate its superiority over traditional question-asking methods. There is potential for refinement. In the AI world, particularly with conversational AIs, the tree of thought plays a vital role in exploring multiple possibilities and facilitating decision-making. Think of yourself at a junction with various paths leading in different directions. Each path represents a choice, and each decision leads you further down a specific path, branching out your journey. Similarly, the tree of thought concept in AI allows for consideration and exploration of different possibilities and branches. Let's explore how this concept applies to a real-life business case with AI chat models. Suppose we prompt an AI chat model with a business question. What are the different marketing strategies we can employ for our new product launch? Employing the tree of thought method, the AI might respond with various options. 1. One approach could be leveraging social media platforms to increase product awareness. 2. Another strategy might involve collaborating with influencers who can endorse the product. 3. Consider offering initial discounts to attract potential customers. Each response represents a different branch of the tree, reflecting the various possibilities considered by the AI. By utilizing the tree of thought method, AI chat models effectively explore multiple strategies, facilitating informed decision making. Understanding the distinction: chain of thought versus tree of thought. To summarize, these terms describe two distinct approaches to problem solving and decision making. Chain of thought is straightforward. It's like embarking on a journey where you move from one point to the next, with each step influenced by the previous one. Think of it as a treasure map guiding you directly from point A to point B without deviating. This method is effective for problems with a clear and logical progression where ideas flow seamlessly. In contrast, the tree of thought is more complex and divergent. It's like standing at a busy intersection with roads leading in all directions. For each problem or question, multiple responses or branches need to be considered. It comes into play when numerous potential outcomes or solutions exist, requiring evaluation before making a decision. Choosing between chain of thought and tree of thought. How do you choose between them? Chain of thought is useful when you have a clear, logical path to follow, or when you're pursuing a single line of reasoning. For example, in mathematical problems, you typically follow a prescribed set of steps in a specific order to find the solution. On the other hand, tree of thought is the preferred approach when faced with multiple options, requiring exploration before making a choice. Imagine being at a restaurant and deciding what to order from a menu full of enticing dishes. Or consider planning a vacation where you need to weigh various factors like the destination, budget, and activities. This approach ensures that all possible outcomes are considered before reaching an informed decision. Let's do some exercises. Enter the chat and try the following examples to see how you receive the responses. Chain of thought examples with AI chat models. Prompt 1. Please outline the process to build a simple website. Prompt 2. Could you explain the steps involved in writing a business proposal? Prompt 3. Can you list the steps to install new software on my computer? Let's continue with the exercises and enter the chat to explore the following examples, but now with a tree of thought approach. Prompt 1. What are the different ways I can grow my online business? Prompt 2. Can you propose different themes for my next book? Prompt 3. What are the various ways I can enhance my leadership skills? In summary, these unique cognitive techniques provide insights into the complex thought processes of AI. Just as an expert craftsman selects the right tool for the task, understanding when and how to employ these AI thought techniques can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your business operations. With this knowledge, you are ready to explore the limitless potential of AI chat models on your business journey. Embrace this exciting realm of AI and make your mark.